Hello, today I am going to tell you how to do tea bag folding. Tea bag folding is a paper craft which was originated in Holland. A woman wanted to make a greeting card for someone, but she did not have any supplies, any stationery supplies. She had colorful tea bags and she made some paper foldings with them and created a new craft which was called as tea bag folding. So let's start.
Wow.
Give me the green paper.
Sorry, not the green paper. Here.
So we need 8 squares for making one tea bag folding craft. So this is an A4 sheet. I will cut 4 squares from this. So fold it in half, then again in half. Now this is a rectangle. If we fold this in a triangle, we will get a square. If we cut this line, we'll get a square. So I will cut this line. This makes 4 squares. I will separate out the squares now. Similarly, I have 4 more squares in pink. Can I have the pink ones?
Okay, here you go.
So I'll take 4 pink color and 4 grey color. See that the size of both the papers are same. So how to fold them? We need to make a origami pyramid. How to make a origami pyramid? First fold it in a triangle, open, again fold it in a triangle, then turn it and fold it in a square side to side. Fold it side to side in half, so that on this face of the paper you have a plus sign and on the other face of the paper you have a cross sign. So when you hold these two corners and push it in, you will get a pyramid. See, if I push this, I'll get a pyramid. So the same way I have to make pyramid for all the 8 papers. I'll show it again. Fold it in a triangle, open, on the same face, again fold it in a triangle. Now turn the paper, fold it side to side, open, again fold side to side. When you hold these two opposite corners and push the paper in, you will get a pyramid. After you get the pyramid for all the papers, just fold this till the line at the center and this one. So the same way I'll fold all 8 and then we have to arrange them and stick them together. So I'll do the same. So I'll do the foldings for all the 8 papers and then I will arrange them and stick them. Can you get the glue?
Oh, the glue.
Fold it in a triangle, open, again fold this in a triangle, open, turn, fold this in half, open, again fold the other side in half, open, hold these two opposite sides, push it in, you'll get a pyramid. Fold this to the center, fold this also to the center.
Here you go, glue.
Thank you. There are many styles of tea bag folding. This is one of them that I am teaching now. I'll tell another design later. Even if both the colors are same, if all 8 squares are of the same color, that is also fine. But if it's 2 different colors, we can arrange them alternately and it will look good. So see that, try to get 2 different colors. If you are doing it with white A4 size sheets, you can color one sheet with some other color. You can just take a crayon and color it. Now folding all the papers in a pyramid and then in this tea bag folding shape. It's almost done. See that the papers are perfectly square, otherwise the folds will not be proper. Now all these 8 papers are folded. Now we need to arrange them and stick. So first apply glue here. Take the second color and stick this underneath of the other color. This will be the center. So we have to interlock it. Apply glue here. Take the pink and stick it here like this. It has to go underneath this part. Same way, we need 8 papers for completing one tea bag folding design. This point will come at the center. So now I have arranged all 8 like this. Just press it once so that it sticks properly. Now look at the back. This also forms a pattern. Now this is flying up. It's not flat. So in that case, take the extra leftover paper and we can cut a floral shape in this. How to cut a floral shape? Fold the paper 3 times and cut a flower shape. Cut a petal shape, and when you open it, you will get the flower shape. Now you can apply some glue on this and stick it at the center. Now this is one design of tea bag folding. I'll show you another design of tea bag folding with square papers. Now I again have 8 papers, square ones, and we have to fold all of them like this. So for the previous one, we had folded it in a pyramid. Now we have to fold it in the origami square. The same technique, fold it in a triangle, open, fold the other diagonal, open, turn, fold it in half, open, again fold it in half. Now instead of holding these 2 corners, we have to hold these 2 sides, and then when you push it in, you will get the origami square. Now after you get the origami square, This is the open side. Okay, so from here fold this to the line at the center. Same way this side also, fold it to the line at the center. Open this and fold it inwards. The same line, fold it inwards here. You can see a line here also. Fold it inwards on both the sides. It will open like this. Same way we have to do for all 8. I'll show that again. Fold it in a triangle. Diagonal fold on one face, then plus sign fold on the other face. Hold these two sides and push it in. You'll get the origami pyramid. Now from this open part, fold it to the line at the center. Again fold this part also to the center. Open this, open the square. On these two lines, fold it inwards. This side also, fold this inwards. The same way I will fold all these 8. I have folded all these. Now let's assemble them. In the same way we had assembled the previous one. Apply glue here. This will be the center. Take the second one. This has to be adjoining. This has to go under this design. This part has to go under this design.
Okay,
So in the same way, we need 8 papers to finish the whole circle.
Okay, so which city in Holland was tea bag folding made, and which event is that greeting card made for?
Can you tell
And
me?
which year is it made? Obviously.
Can you tell me?
No, I'm asking the question.
So it was in Holland in 1600s. So she wanted to make a greeting card for someone and she did not have any stationery items. So with whatever was available with her, the tea bags which came in colorful designs, she used them to make a greeting card. Now in the same way, like I did the previous one, I have cut a flower shape. I'll apply glue on it and stick at the center. So these are 2 designs of tea bag folding. There are many more designs. You can see your own creativity, come with your own creativity and make new designs of tea bag folding.